Hi everyone. You have your test tomorrow. Chapter 10, circles. So I'm going to go over again something I did in class the other day. And there were some of you absent on Friday. Here's kind of a review of some of the problems. Okay? Number 4 talks about circumference and radius. Here's the formula. Circumference equals pi times diameter. Okay? That's something that's there. Problem number 6 deals with one like this. Central angle. It's an angle that's made in the middle, at the center. Whatever the measurement is of this central angle, the measurement of that arc will be congruent to that, exactly the same as that. Okay, so that's this measurement right here. Now, similar to that, we might need to find an area of this sector. And so we have to find the area of the circle first. And you'll be given either a diameter or a radius or maybe even a circumference to be able to find the area. And so if this radius is 10, area equals pi r squared. So radius is 100, 10 squared, times pi, 314. I chose kind of an easy set of numbers here for this. So the area of this circle is 314. So what part of that circle is 314? We made a proportion, if you remember, in that section. So 100, which is the degree measurement of this sector, out of 360. So 100 out of 360 is equal to whatever the area is out of 314. And you'll do cross multiply. This times this divided by that. Okay, and that's how we do those. So you'll see one like this tomorrow. You'll see one like this. Number 8. You're not going to see one like number 8 on the test. Number 9 looks like this. It's an inscribed angle. It's not a central angle. It's inscribed, meaning the vertex is on the circumference of the circle. And the relationship is this many degrees, A, is half of x. So if x was 100, A would be 50. And that's the relationship of an inscribed angle. Next, when we have angles on the inside as well, and this is similar to numbers 12 and 13 on the back, these angles are congruent from the fall. You remember vertical angles are congruent. So these are the same. We know this is 60, we know this is 100. The relationship you need to know is add this, and divide by 2. And you will get the measure of this angle. So 100 plus 60 is 160, divided by 2 is 80. So each of these angles will be 80 degrees. Next, when we have either a tangent or a secant, when they meet outside the circle, the relationship is that the measure of this arc and the measure of this arc, you'll subtract them. Find the difference. So 120 and 80, the difference is 40. And then you cut that in half for 20, and that will be the measurement of that angle. Now that's different than these. Here you got to remember to add. the outsides. And that's one of the things that makes this tough. It's a tough chapter with a lot of little things to remember for tomorrow. Okay? So, these are all the basics for the test tomorrow. And you have your tests back with you so that you can study and prepare. I corrected them for you. You can go back and check your notes. I've also made another video that I posted earlier last week, which covered the last bit of topics that we have. So you should be ready to go for tomorrow.